Happy Friday! Starting off our day early today because it is a gorgeous day. One of my close girlfriends had her baby yesterday, so we're gonna go and visit my girl and her baby, Layla. She is the cutest little porker. She is like so chubby. So we're gonna go see Skylar's new BFF. But first, we are going to stop by the mall close to the hospital because one of my neighbors said that this store called Zellers, I thought that they were actually, they have already changed all of the Zellers stores into Target, but they haven't. One of the Zellers stores by the hospital where my girl delivered is closing down, so all the kids' clothes are like $3 and lower. So we're going to go there first because you guys know me and deals, right? So I gotta check out this awesome deal that my neighbor said, so it better be awesome. First, I need to get me some coffee, so we're gonna head on to Starbucks here. I'm heading out to my girlfriend's birthday downtown, but I'm picking up one of my friends first, and we are gonna head over there together. So this is my outfit for the evening. I just put my hair up in a sock bun because that's always my solution if I don't really want to do anything with my hair. So makeup, decided to go dark on the lips because fall season is coming. I'm wearing Heroin from MAC, and my eyes are the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Wearing my red cherry lashes in 117, and I'm wearing all black today. So wearing all black with this brown cardigan I got from Forever 21, and this top I bought from Ross. These shorts, they're like shorts, and I don't know, they look like a skirt in the front, but they're actually shorts. I bought them from a local store here at our mall called Sirens. So that's what I'm wearing. I just accessorized. So this bought from Costa Blanca. It's a local store here in one of our malls. I forgot where I bought this bangle from. I think Forever 21. But yeah, and these earrings from Charlotte Russe. Michael Kors watch. Skylar is already asleep since 8 p.m. It's 8:30 right now. And Chris is like so happy that he's gonna be home alone because, well, not really home alone, but like with the sleeping baby already, because he gets to relax, watch a movie, right?
Who knows?
Yeah. Can you do me a favor, honey? What? Can you throw that out in the pan?
Yes.
Thanks. I'm gonna get going here pretty soon, and I'll take you guys, me and my girlfriend Janine, we decided to have dinner first before heading to one of our friends' birthdays at a club. I don't know what it is. Is it just me? But then ever since I became a mom, I don't want to go to a club anymore. Are you guys like that too? Because before, I swear, I used to be a party animal. You can ask my husband here. Always out like every weekend. But since I had a baby, I'm just like not feeling the clubs. Like for me now, birthdays I would much rather go
Have some
to
kind
a
of
dinner.
Oh,
No.
I thought you were gonna say you'd rather have birthdays have themes now, like penguins or race cars.
He's making fun of me because I'm planning Skylar's birthday right now and his dad's 60th birthday in retirement, and I have themes for both of them. So he's making fun of me. He's like, you're one of those that plan birthdays with themes. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's hella dark right now. I'm parked here by the mall waiting for Janine to get off work. It's 9:15, girl. Come on, where you at? I'm here with Janine. We're downtown at Yaletown right now. We're heading to a restaurant called Minami. And it's like a, what is it, like sushi?
Japanese fusion.
Japanese fusion restaurant. I've never been. She loves it there, so I trust her. These are all the restaurants on the side here. We freaking could not find parking because it's Friday night. It's busy. It looks good already. I'm excited. I'm so hungry. You guys have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna order. Got our drinks. I got the what is it called? Oh, French 75. Janine got
The Obachan.
and that is like hard liquor over here. Well, she just got off work, okay, so she needs a drink. Okay, let's cheers to
being mommies.
mommy break. That's right.
Life.
Wife.
Yeah.
Wife life.
Hashtag.
Got our order. What is this? Oh yeah, Abby fritter and...
So this one, and then you didn't order...
I didn't order that. I ordered another one. Yep. So I think she just has the seats wrong. And then that should be yours. You ordered the bites, right?
No.
No, I ordered the same thing.
Then I wrote it down wrong. My apologies.
Confusion with the orders. She's like laughing. And we're so hungry. But the fritters are really good.
How's the fritter?
It's good.
Is it like heavy mayo?
Yeah, it's good. We are now on our way to our friend's 30th birthday. Dinner was really good. I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad we went to eat first because otherwise I would be so grumpy and hungry. Exactly. So we're walking back to the car. We're at a different part of Vancouver now. We're on Granville Street. And we're heading to a club called Aura, where the birthday girl is at.
Filipino time. 2 hours late. So with that shit on camera, my girl's like, hello, Filipino, my best friend. Thank you for arriving 2 hours late. 2 hours late. Filipino time. Better late than never. Okay, come on.
And we're here. Let's go. Left the club. I am so tired.
So
I am
like seriously,
I just want to crawl into bed right now.
I need to be in my PJs.
Tell them a story about the lady.
Oh yeah, so this girl comes up to me in the by the bar and asked me if I wanted a drink, and I said no thanks. So later on, she comes up to me again with Karla and asked me if I wanted another drink.
Oh, that was the lady that came up to you the first time?
Yes, the first time with Pasha.
Oh, okay.
And then the second time she came up to me again and asked me for another drink, and I said, yeah, sure. Brings us to this table full of like, I'm sorry, gross. And gave us drinks, and they're like, oh, these are my clients, blah, blah, blah.
So you guys know what that means, right? So we're
I don't know
like,
what kind of company they're running.
So meanwhile, we're like, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Did we pace there?
Yeah, we did. So let's not cross right now.
Yeah, so.
But yeah, scary.
Yes,
Don't ever go with any girls that ask you for a drink.
Any old men.
Or old man.
But
we called it OMT, old man's table.
I mean, you could still go. I mean, they're rich, right?
But first,
No,
See
no.
what I mean about being a vlogger? People think you're taking a selfie of yourself.
And everyone's looking at us right now.
I'm waiting on the train ride.